Okay guys, let's look at module 00103, section 2.0.0, measurement and layout tools. Trade terms you need to read and become familiar with. Tape measure. Said tape measure or measuring tapes are great for measurements for a range of lengths. Folding rules are only 6 foot or 2 meters long and remain rigid, which has its advantages as well. Spirit levels, and I want you to pay attention to when he's measuring horizontally here, he's checking level, but then when we're running pipe or anything vertically up and down, then we're going to check plumb. So I might say is you're at a level, it's off side to side. At a plumb, it's over to one side or the other. Spirit level is the most common leveling instrument. It says squares. A pipe fitter square looks like a carpenter square from a distance, but the tables and formulas marked on it are different. They are best used for large stock and checking framing. The combination square can mark 90-degree angles also, and 45. Plumb bob, if I need to measure off a certain distance from a roof, I can use a plumb bob, which is just a weighted pendulum, to hold it on the roof where I want the mark to match on the floor, and when it stops swinging, mark where it is. Chalk line. Chalk line is used to draw one long straight line at once. We put 2 marks on each end and pull the line tight in between it. Somebody pulls it up, pops it, it leaves a long straight line. Alright, some review questions for this section. It says folding rules with metric markings come in 1 and 2 meter models, 2 and 3 meter models, 3 and 4, or 4 and 5. And I think it said 1 and 2. A laser measuring tool is a battery-powered electronic version of a tape measure, a folding rule, a wooden rule, or a flat style rule. Tape measure. The ability to take long vertical measurements from the ground is an advantage of digital levels, spirit levels, tape measures, or laser measuring tools. That's going to be a laser measuring tool. Alright, the framing square is also called a carpenter square. And the last one. Blank are used to mark long straight lines on smooth surfaces. Plumb bobs, chalk lines, laser measuring tools, or steel rules. We said chalk lines. Alright, that's the end of that section. I'll see you in 3.00 other common hand tools.